Good afternoon. This is Joe with Light Visions Landscape Lighting. We're out doing an install today. I wanted to make sure to show everybody these bulletproof connectors we use so moisture doesn't get into our light fixtures. Can you see these? We just made these connectors. Look at the silicone pushed out of the end of those heat shrink connectors. Moisture is not getting in those wires to make them lose voltage like it does on a lot of systems. Okay, here's a set of those connectors. We're going to heat shrink real quick. Watch how nice it's going to push the silicone right out of the end of these connectors. The object is to get these connectors nice and warm. Burning the wires. Get it to close up good around these wires, and then push the silicone out of the end. The more silicone pushes out, the better. Really encapsulate these wires so you don't get any moisture in your wires, which is the weakest point of any low voltage outdoor lighting system. See that pushing that right out.